Hello everyone, this is Gurumurthy. This is my 11th video workouts problem on GST, that one transactions value and output tax. Uh, let's begins with the problem number 15. Problem number 15 relating to transport. 15 relating to transport. Yes, a transport agency registered in the state of Karnataka provided the following services in the month of July. Compute the amount of GST payable for the month of July. Transport passenger by air conditions contract. Stage of carriage, the rate of GST 5%, 63,000. Transport of passenger by radio taxi, 5% GST applicable, 20,000. Transport by passenger by air in economy class, 5% GST. It is known as 1,20,000. Transport of passenger by air in other than economy class, 60,000. Service provided to a foreign tourist, GST applicable. The whole outside is 3 lakhs. Let's begin with one by one. Transport of passenger by air intra, 63 into 5 by 100 comes to 1 by 2 means 5,000. Now it is not 1,20,000, it is a 20,000. Okay. Now transport a passenger by radio taxi intra, 20,000 into 5%, 1 by 2. Transport by passenger by air, it is comes to 1 lakh, 18% divided by 2. Transport by passenger by air other than economic class, 12%, 60,000, then 3,600, 3,600. However, service provided to foreign tourist is an exempt. Therefore, foreign missionary, any services given to them is exempt from calculating GST. Similarly, next question is, the following are the service provided by cargo industry which is registered in the state of Mumbai. Compute GST. Transport of goods by rail, transport of goods in a vessels, transport by goods in a container, transport of courier, transport of agricultural products. Different rates are there. Therefore, here is transport of goods by rail intra, 3 lakh into 5%, 7,500 each. Transport of goods in a vessel, it is an intrastate, once again 5,000. Transport by goods in a container by rail intrastate, 6,000. Now it is a come to that 1 lakh into 6%, therefore 1 by 2. Transport by courier, 20,000, 18%, 1,800, 1,800. Therefore, total e-ledger balance 20,300, 20,300. Service provided in relation to agricultural activities are exempted. All the services which are not specified anywhere in the GST schedule, by default 18% you have to take. If not, cases ಕೊಡದೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 18% ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. 17 example, advertisement media is a service provider registered in Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is in Union Territory, has provided the following service. Compute the GST payable. Selling a space for advertisement 5%. Service by way of job 4 lakhs, the rate of 5% at the printing. Next, service provided to the United Nations for creating awareness about the health and hygiene in India 2 lakh. Service provided to farmers in relation to agriculture activities 50,000. Service provided to an event management company for creation of banners and brochures and all, it is 30,000. Just have a look. This is very simple problem. You list out and calculate GST or UTGST or a GST, whatever that is. In this case, it is a UTGST because Andaman and Nicobar is a union territory. In the place of SGST, you can take UTGST. Selling space for advertisement is intrastate. Therefore, it is a 5%. Whatever the amount is there, the 5% into 1 by 2 calculate. Service provided by of job work in relation to printing, same. Service provided to the United Nations, already told it is an exempted. Service provided to a farmer is exempted. Any service related to farmer or agricultural is exempted. Service provided to an event management company, event management company, with whatever that is, it is a interstate. Inter means it is a called as known as, once again, it is intra, not inter, intrastate. It is spelling is RA, not here. Intrastate. It comes to 30,000 divided by 18% into 1 by 2, 2,700, 2,700, total 25,200, 25,200. Next, from the following details, compute the value of taxable service and service tax. The here is not a service tax, it is called GST payable on this service provided by foreign diplomatic missions, then aerial advertisement, service by way of private contributions, speed post service, house given to rent, value of free service, certification by exchange, service rendered to ENO, secretarial auditing, fee to act as a liquidator, vacant land used for horticulture, sale of time slot for broadcasting, service rendered within Indian territorial water, service relating to supply of farm labors. Amount are given different. Of course, you list out and calculate out GST payable at the outright in one invoice. Assume these are all the service given by one dealer, one dealer, one dealer. Therefore, he has to raise, one invoice, one invoice. Okay, service provided by a foreign diplomatic is exempted because, as earlier I mentioned, that any service given to foreign missionary is exempted. Aerial advertisement list out service by way of private tours, speed post service, it is a taxable. House given rent is a taxable. Value of free service rendered to friend, whatever that is your inter transactions, but it is a taxable. Then service rendered to UNO is exempted. Certification for the exchange of is a taxable. Secretarial audit is a taxable. Fees to act liquidator taxable. Vacant land used for horticulture purpose. This is an agriculture purpose only. Nompulugalu ಬೆಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಏನೇನಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, therefore it is exempt. Sale of time slot, once again it is a taxable. Service rendered within India territorial taxable. Service relating to supply of farm labor is exempted. Total taxable service is known as 18 lakhs provided by 140, and this is a different is only one invoice. Therefore, total it is within the state, two tax CGST and SGST at the rate of 18. If the rate is not given, default 18%, 18 divided by 2, 9, 1,62, that is GST payable. Therefore, it is known as invoice is known as 3,24,000. That is, we are supplying these to a X party, that is left to the X party, and providing different services. Okay, here is given that if the tax rate is not given, applicable is 18%. Next is the question number 19. Mr. Anand, a registered dealer in Karnataka, provides the following services for the month of July. Calculate GST. Service provided to RBI. We are providing service. We are providing service means we can issue the invoice. Once the invoice is issued with bearing GST, if the service is provided by RBI, they can't charge GST. Therefore, be careful about the word is to is there, therefore it is taxable. Selling for space advertisement 5%, advance received from the client, course, rendered to make crop ready for retail marketing. Service relating to education, service from the client of the service rendered in June, but in the month of July 18, 1,32,650. Invoice is raised July, but service related to June. Service rendered by supply of labor agriculture. Free service rendered is a relative and friends. Placement service, service way of training, healthcare service, bill related to issue of client for service rendered, but no payment received end of this July. Part payment 22,500 was received from the client. It is 22 should be 500, not one more zero, it would be wrongly printed. Okay, renting agro machinery service rendered in Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, examine service rendered to RBI. You must take into account. Don't confuse. We are rendering service to RBI. We are issuing invoice. Then RBI will give the payment, the invoice payment. Then advance received from his client for the service to the render. Of course, advance received for rendering service take into account. Service relating to education is exempted. Rent service from the client, of course, it is a June month, but we are in the month of July. Therefore, this transaction relating to June month only, it not take into account in the month of July. July transaction is different. June transaction is different. But you are a fault of raising the invoice in the month of July. It should go to June month only. Therefore, we cannot take in the month of July. Service rendered by supply of labor exempt. Free service rendered, whatever that is, you free service, it is even internal, but it is a taxable. Placement services, it is a taxable. Service by way of training in recreational activities, exempted. Healthcare service, exempted. Bill was raised and issued to his client for service rendered, then it is a 6th July is there, it is a taxable. Part payment 22,500 was received from the client in respect of service rendered. Okay, whatever that is a part payment, it is 75,500 or 600 is fully taxable. You have to take full amount during this month. Whatever agriculture service etc. is exempt. Total 10,99,850. Then 10,89,850 you can calculate GST payable, CGST and SGST. Where only one transaction is there, that is related to Jammu and Kashmir, you take separately, then calculate IGST 18% 12,600. Therefore, output tax payable or e-liability ledger balance is come to 1,891, 1,891, 12,600. And then last question is known as Kulcha CA practice for chartered accountant furnished the following information for the month of July 20. Accounting and auditing services, then representatives before various statutory authorities, cost accountant, then secretarial auditing, verifications, everything is given in details. Now he is asking about how much GST payable for their services. Now under such cases, accounting and auditing is a taxable, then representations to various body taxable, you collecting the money, cost accounting and cost auditing, secretarial auditing also taxable, verification declarations also taxable, certification document to be filed before registered companies also then, because is the job is only. ಇದೇ ಥರದ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ and preparations for coaching material. Of course, coaching is not relating to this practice. Of course, it goes to income from other source. However, you are not taking into account for GST. It is not an indirect tax. Okay, it is coaching is a direct. It goes to income from other source. Of course, you are not taking into account. Fee for routine visit to the income tax office. Right. Remuneration to teaching. Once again, it is a call. Teaching comes to the income from other source. It goes to income from other source area, not GST. It is not an indirect tax. Therefore, we could not take into account these two items. Total 4,30,000. Then see GST and SGST calculated. Total is 77,400. Add together known as invoice. Therefore, invoice means you are not going to pay anybody else, but you are collecting the money. How much is payable? Is payable only 77,400. Okay, works out on input GST will be discussed in our next video. Thank you.